Sino sa atin ang walang kasalanan? Kung walang bumoto sa Uniteam, walang maghihiwalaya na Marcos Duterte. Walang CIF at DepEd funds na investigasyon, walang bullies sa social media ng mga loyalist at DDS, walang lalabas na mga corrupt na politiko, magnanakaw sa DPWH at gahaman na kontratista. Hindi rin sana nadala sa ICC The Hague si FPRRD at walang impeachment si Sara Duterte, meaning Romans 8:28 and we know that God works all things together for the good of those who love Him, who are called according to His purpose. 1 John 1:8-10. If we say we have no sin, we deceive ourselves and the truth is not in us. If we confess our sins, He is faithful and just to forgive us our sins and to cleanse us from all unrighteousness. If we say we have not sinned, we make Him out to be a liar, and His word is not in us. Pilipinas ang unang bansang Kristiyano sa Asia, kaya minamahal ng Diyos ang bawat Pilipino. Magbalik loob tayo mula sa ating masasamang gawi. Itigil lang pang-aapi at pagtatakip. Hayaan nating alisin ng Diyos ang lahat ng kasamaan sa ating bansa. Psalm 101:6-8. My eyes will be on the faithful of the land, that they may dwell with me. He who walks in the way of integrity shall minister to me. No one who practices deceit shall dwell in my house. No one who tells lies shall stand in my presence. Every morning I will remove all the wicked of the land, that I may cut off every evildoer from the city of the Lord. Like, share, follow, comment, subscribe.